Here we are at True Hotel. It is a Hilton hotel here in Syracuse, New York. Let's go have a look. Come on in. Friendly staff. Check out and check in. So y'all do a little snacks. You can come down here anytime. Drinks. And when you're in Syracuse, you gotta get your Syracuse swag. Little games area for the kids or the adults.
Hey!
I win. Ah, I win again.
Alright. 1-1, ready, set, go. Oh,
I win.
tie!
Oh.
Go to the replay, I think I won.
Breakfast from 6 till 10 a.m. You have a great little work area over here. And because it's a new hotel, it has all the great new plugs. So it's like basically you're at the airport. So you've got your USBs, regular plugs, and you can just sit here all day.
Important to me is that you get Lavazza coffee, all you can drink.
Let's go upstairs. Here we have, hold on, shout out to Vita Health. Rest your head and rest your luggage. Okay, here we have a king size bed. The hotel is about 2-3 months old, so they're brand new beds. Doug, what do you think of the bed?
It's great.
Is it a comfy bed? Do you like it?
Comfy.
Okay, so we're giving this an A+ for the bed.
We'll be more comfy with you in it, but yeah, for now.
Okay. So as the room accessories in terms of furniture, we have a chair. It's like a random chair with like a little table. Different chair. It's a little odd, but okay. They do have, which is nice, new hotel. So you've got the USB plugs. Nice. They don't all have that now. So we're gonna try this chair out, Doug.
Number 1, engage.
Captain Kirk.
The card!
Oh, the card, okay. So also in the room they have, I guess what they are calling their desk. I feel like you're in school. I do not feel like we're in a hotel room. It's definitely a little odd.
And there's no way we could put like our camera equipment, a laptop, work on anything.
No, you do have the plugs, but that's about it. Nice big screen TV, I have to say, but you just can't do any work here. You gotta go down to the lobby. Little perk for being a Hilton Gold member is when you check in, you get a couple bottles of water and some treats. Doug likes to get his treats. True Hotels has decided they're not going to give you a closet, you are going to get hooks. So you get hooks, a couple level of hooks, and you get a metal bar hanging from the ceiling with some hangers. That's what you get. And then you get this little bench. Okay, oh, and you do get your fridge. I'm not even sure what these products are. Usually Hilton has like a brand, but I guess you don't get a brand here. Your basic bathroom. Again, nothing special. It's clean, it's nice, that's what's important. Though at this time of the year when kids are checking back into college in Syracuse, it's $183. Normally it would be like $130. But you know, I think you enjoy your room. It's nice and cool in here, good air conditioning. I'd say the air conditioning itself might be a little loud at night. We are headed here tomorrow, so stay tuned. We're going to the fair.